Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Let's Do Our Hair. I am installing this VPART wig from Nadula. This is the body wave texture, and I don't know the inches that I have, but I'll list it down below. Here I'm just showing you all the contents that come in the box, and these wig caps that they put in the box these days are so good, but you kind of don't need that for this VPART wig. Unless you do, I don't know. I didn't use it, but I am definitely collecting them. And here I'm just putting the wig on like norm. I only clip the front two clips. Not even the front two clips. I only clip the one clip in the front on both sides, and then I use the combs and stick them under my braids, and the wig is going nowhere. It's like secured.
Yeah.
This is the texture after washing, conditioning, and then just letting the hair air dry naturally. So it has a really pretty like soft wave to it, but this is body wave texture.
Yeah.
And this is also how long the hair is. I don't remember picking an inch, but this has to be like 24 inches.
Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart.
So today we are curling our hair with a curling iron. This is like a small 1.5, not 1.5, 1 inch, maybe half an inch curling iron. And we're doing some cute little spiral curls because I never do that. And I wanted a different look today. She's so cute and so bouncy. So after I curl the hair, I like put it all in my hand and kind of let the curl cool off so it sets. But that's all. We're going to speed through this clip because we're just curling.
Trying, baby.
Potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? Need face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you
And I really just couldn't help myself because why are they so bouncy? Why am I bouncing them though?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me.
Okay, so this is the finished product of the curls on the hair. I honestly don't know why I didn't just curl my leave out with the hair, but whatever. I did curl my hair on the highest setting, and when I say my hair, I mean the extensions that the curling iron goes, which I feel like it's 430 degrees, but I'll list it down below because it doesn't really matter. I always use the highest heat on extensions because it's not my real hair. So I'm just curling my leave out really quickly, but not on the highest setting because it's my real hair and it's already straight. We just need to curl it.
Traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look.
I felt like I looked crazy because this is crazy. This is why you curl your hair with your extensions, especially if your hair is shorter than the extensions and you don't want it to be noticeable, you know, but we're making it work. I'm brushing through all the curls. I love how my curls turned out. Definitely gonna curl my hair again. The density on this wig is only 150 or 180%. So I do like a more full wig. So this one is really more on the natural side. And y'all know I get wigs of all different kind of densities and they're all so different. So this is what the curls look like from the back. So pretty. The hair is extremely soft. Did I say that already? Yeah, the hair is super soft. And yeah, this is it. This is the finished product. I'm just brushing my hair to see how I want to wear it. You can flip over, you can put it in a ponytail. You could do a lot with these half wigs, and that's what I love, the versatility. And if you remember my last video, I said I wish I had more leave out because if I did, I would definitely have pinned my hair back, but it's not enough hair on the side, so we're just gonna leave it down. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. And I also list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys if you're interested.
I'm so selfish, I can't